Hi all, a very warm welcome to everyone. This is batch 2K11 presenting a short video just for you.
It's been 9 years of our farewell, but still all the memories are alive and keep making us feel nostalgic.
Hope you all are safe and doing well during this unexpected time. As all of us know, we are in a war against an invisible enemy, COVID-19.
As we know that what the world is suffering from right now, it's sad, but we are not here to deliver a speech on pandemic occurred all over the world, right? So without deviating from motto, we will like to share a few things that you can start doing from today, hopefully, for a better future.
Through this video, we would like to encourage you guys to be frank and learn the ability to express yourself. Because later on in your careers, when you will hold a position of responsibility, you will have to learn these qualities the hard way. So it's better if you equip yourself with these qualities right now. It also often happens that you have some thoughts, ideas or perspective regarding something, but you fail to present it exactly the way we want. So it's the right time to prepare yourself for the future. Start participating in the activities of CCA and the morning stay assembly. And believe me guys, you will get better with every next time.
We use the term hobbies very casually in our daily life. In fact, we used to differ it from our education. But today I would like to suggest you to start developing your hobbies from today itself. It can be anything like dancing, singing, reading, whatever you would like to do. Because at this age, brain can adopt the thing very faster and it can last for lifelong. In fact, nowadays you can make great career out of it.
I would like to focus on few things. Just bring a reading habit inside you. Try to go through the internet, fetch some books, fetch some articles. You can find a lot of articles in the Hindu kind of newspapers, or you can say web newspapers, and just go through the articles. Just read about what's happening around your city, what's happening around the world, and grab some lucrative words from that articles or that books, and just note it down somewhere and try to read it out so that you can use sometime in future or something. This is what I would suggest to improve your reading skills and of course your speaking skills too.
Although there are lots of loopholes in our education system, but in this video we would like to stay on the brighter side. In our school days we used to think how these tough sums of algebra and trigo are going to help us in future. But let me tell you, those sums are as much as important in your life the way Lakshmana was for Lord Rama. It often happens at that stage of time that some sums will not get resolved by using a formula or by theorem. We generally used to skip those sums or refer to the examples of our textbook. And here comes the lesson that will always stay with you. Always try to face difficult times on your own. You start juggling with your basics and explore all the possibilities for finding the solution. Even though you are not able to solve the sum yet, make your teachers your patient and get a clue and then try it all again. This process may seem a bit long and boring, but believe me, this practice will not just help you in solving those sums, but will prepare you strong enough to face much tougher and bigger situation ahead in life.
You know what? In the current market scenario, the organizations are marking one quality above your educational qualifications. That is your soft skill. Soft skill is not a chapter of any subject. Casually speaking, it includes common sense, the ability to deal with the people, and a positive, flexible attitude. No one can master it. You can only develop it by working on all the aspects shared by my friends earlier.